Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to turn off profile transfer in the Netflix app. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app on your smart device and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the Netflix application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says My Netflix and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for 3 lines that you will click. Clicking on those 3 lines will open a drop-down menu with the offered options, of which we need the account option, where you will go down and click on it. The application will open the following page, where you will also go down to the option. Turn off profile transfers in the drop-down menu and click on it. Then on the next page, you have to click on the field where it says Turn off profile transfer. After you turn it off, the profile transfer option will be disabled in your account. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can follow the same steps. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can turn off profile transfer on your Netflix account in just a few seconds. It's a great way to keep control of your account and profiles. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Netflix app tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.